What's a social cheat code you learned from just observing people?
Mirroring someone's energy level works like magic. If they're excited, match that vibe. If they're calm and thoughtful, slow down your pace.
People feel more comfortable around others who match their wavelength.
Listen and ask questions. As a retail manager, most people who have complaints literally just want to be heard. 9 times out of 10 I listen to their concerns and they thank me and leave quietly.
To get through a massive standing crowd, turn sideways, stick your leading arm out, and go, gently, touching and bumping people as you move.
They will naturally be curious about the bump and turn, thereby creating a spot for you to move to. Repeat without lines traverse the whole crowd very quickly.